If you're looking to create your own planner pages, you're in the right place. Join me real quick as I do my own DIY planner pages and show you how you can do them too to save some money.
Wait and subscribe for Mommy's YouTube channels and hit the bell.
I've always found it a lot easier for me to make my own planner pages. I get easily overwhelmed by the ones that are offered in the store. Sometimes they're customizable, sometimes they're not. So I decided instead of wasting money and constantly being frustrated, why don't I just create something that's more useful or something that I know I will use? So if you follow along with me, I'll show you how I make my grid pattern, and then I will also go into creating the days of the week because I like to have a monthly and a weekly page set up. I won't be talking very much throughout this video. I think I just want you to enjoy the visuals as well as the music. I appreciate your tuning in, and hopefully this will help you create your own planner pages. Do know this is fully customizable, so you do it in a manner that works for you. What's important is that the pages are functional. You actually want to use them. You are creating a planner page so that you can set yourself up to follow a schedule, and the best way to do so is to start. So it's important to make sure you do it in a manner that works for you. And again, this is a great way to customize it. So again, without continuing to talk too much further, watch me as I create my planner pages.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
There is no right or wrong. And also just pay attention to how you do your lines. I always start off with pencil because I want to make sure that I at least do the grid, the basic grid correct. And then I'll go back in with a Sharpie marker, usually a gel pen of some sort, and just redefine the lines and make sure that they are filled in or that it's finalized with the Sharpie marker once I've completed the general or the initial foundation. I am curious to know how many of you out there actually create your own planner pages, and how long have you been doing it for? I've been following a planner for almost my entire life. I'm just a person that finds when I write things down, it's easier for me to remember, and sometimes technology is not reliable. I actually find a balance between my tech and my manual planner. However, my manual planner takes precedence over anything. Again, I just find it is easier to remember things when I write them down so that it's more memorable for some reason for me. That's just how my pattern is. So creating these agenda pages is a great way to help yourself stay on track. It's a great way to get yourself organized. It's a great way to help you not just achieve, but see the goals you're setting to achieve, and you don't feel overwhelmed because you're creating it at your own pace. You are also able to customize this in any way. If you're a doodler or a drawer, it'd be wonderful if you add your own taste to these pages. My last planner video, unfortunately the video quality wasn't the greatest, but it does show the customization where I add some flowers or just some general doodles to the page. That's something you can do to help yourself customize your planner pages. Sometimes when I'm filming, I get really nervous and then I forget, oh yeah, it's not, like I don't have to overthink it. But as you can see in this particular habit tracker, I forgot the days of the week. I put Sunday to Saturday. However, I forgot the numbers, which is all good. It threw me off a little bit, but don't let these type of things bother you in any kind of way. As you continue to make your own pages, you'll learn a pattern that works for you, and you can just make sure you don't make the mistakes continuing going forward. There's no mistake that you make that you can't fix. It is quite simple to either create a new page or just simply work with what you made. You never know, that mistake might be its own little faulty gem. I love using habit trackers because I am the worst at remembering to follow certain habits, such as drinking my water, taking my vitamins and my probiotic, and getting to my bed at a certain time. So I utilize a habit tracker weekly to help me see visually whether or not I have or have not completed the task. And it's a good way to motivate yourself. You can fill those squares in with smiley faces or X's or check marks or colors, whatever works, whatever floats your boat. But again, it's a great way to keep yourself on task and to remember that you have habits that you need to track and you need to keep up with. So as I flip back through my pages, I recognize none of them are exactly identical, and that's okay. What's most important is that it works for me. And I encourage you, when you're creating your planner pages, to make sure they work for you. Once I've completed all of my pages and their general entry, I'll just go back and flip through to make sure I have all the days that I need for that month. And then I will start to customize it by coloring it in. Use whatever you want, whatever you're feeling for the moment. You might be a super artist and can create some beautiful things. I am very simple, so as you can see here, it's just some simple coloration that I'm adding to the page. I've created a page for holidays. I've created a section for holidays, birthdays, appointments, and my business, so that on my main monthly page, I can keep track of anything that I need to be aware of. That monthly and variable line or area is basically to track your bills or your income or anything that's coming in and out. Monthly is generally stuff that's reoccurring, that's consistent, and variables are stuff that are set to fluctuate. Maybe your gas, your water bill, your hydro bill. Monthly can be your mortgage payments if you're not on a variable rate, or your insurances or anything to that effect. Things that are reoccurring will be tracked on that side. So it's again a simple layout, and it's just some way to help me keep track of the important things that are occurring for the month, and along with the colors that I'm utilizing for each individual box. So the holidays, B-days, appointments, and my business, I'll be able to either go in and add H's, B's, or dots to the numbers in the days of the month to correspond, to remind me, hey, when I see a green dot on the 17th, that will remind me that, hey, somebody's birthday is on that day. It's a nice way to kind of keep a simple structure, and it works. Sometimes I might add stickers as a way to customize. So here I'm just doing a quick little sticker at the top and the bottom to ensure that it has its nice little flair, a little more color pop, and that's it. I appreciate you tuning in, and hopefully this inspired you to start to create your own planner pages. Again, believe you can, and you will, as the sticker says above. It's not a complicated process, but you just have to take the time to do it, and do it in a manner that works for you. I hope to see you on my next planner page creation video, and I thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or any comments, I'd appreciate it if you leave that information down below. Until the next one, y'all, stay blessed.